Today we'll talk about how can you enable iTheme on your app. We go to figure out the solution on your on know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go down here, you click on this sign down here, and you just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do now, you just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on settings, you just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You come here to choose light theme, just click here in this sign. So then like you see, this color show for us here is and like you see, it's changed with us to now to light mode like you see now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.